today's problem of the day is maximum total subarray value 1. So what is given in description? You are given an integer at the nums of length n, an integer k. You need to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays nums from L to R of num. Subarrays may overlap and the exact same subarrays same L and R can be choose more than once. This is the important point, like we can choose the same subarray any number of times. And the value of a subarray nums L to R is defined as the maximum value minus minimum value for that array. The total value is the sum of the values of all chosen array and return the maximum possible total value you can achieve. So what is basically given in this question is, this line is very important. Like we will be giving one nums array and we need to choose, there will be a number of integers in this, and we need to choose exactly k subarrays from this array. We need to choose k subarrays, and we can also repeat the subarrays. Like if I have choose this subarray like full, if I will consider this full subarray, and what will be the value for this? The value for this will be maximum value is 11 and minimum value is 2. The value for this will be 9. So I can choose the same subarray again also. This is like the most tricky part in this question, which is making this problem a lot more easy, because we can choose the same array. Suppose I have choose all the k times. If I will choose the same subarray, then I can get the maximum possible value, because the value will be maximum value minus minimum value. And if I will choose all whole array k times, then I can get the maximum and minimum value, and this difference also I can maximize. This is the most important part for this problem. If we will understand more clearly with the example. So example is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. So I need to choose two subarrays. So one subarray I can choose this 1, 3, 2. So what will be the maximum? Maximum is 3. The minimum is 1. So the value will be 2. And second, if I will choose this, suppose, then 3 and 2. So the 3 minus 2, the value will be 1. But if I will again, but I have the option to again choose the whole array. So I can again choose the same. So if I will again choose this array only, then my value will be maximum is 3 minus minimum is 2, then 2. So 2 subarrays, maximum value is 2 plus 2, that is 4. So we can return 4. The same if we will see for the second example, 4, 2, 5, 1. We need to choose 3 subarrays. So if I will choose, suppose this I will choose, then what will be the value? Value will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. If we will choose whole this array, then also value will be 4 only, because maximum and minimum are 5 and 1. If we will choose this, then we will get value as 2. But why we will choose this? We have the option to choose any number of times any array. We can choose this whole array any number of times, since we need to maximize the value. And maximum value only we will get when we choose whole array, whole array as a subarray, and we can easily get the minimum and maximum value. So minimum and minimum difference will also be maximized, and we can get the maximum answer possible. If we will choose whole array 3 times, then 5 minus 1, maximum is 5 minus minimum is 1, and into 3 times. So 4 into 3, we can get 12. So 12 we can return. Constant also is like maximum length can go till 5 into 10 to the power 4, and this value can go maximum till 10 to the power 9, and k value can go from 1 till 10 to the power 5. So if we will talk about the solution mein I declared this size of the nums array, and then I'm this also we don't need to declare this size, because I have directly used maximum element and minimum element function to find the maximum and minimum value of the whole array, and then I can find the difference into k. I will do so, because I'm choosing the k subarray as whole array. I will choose k times. So max minus min into k. Long, because we need to return the answer in long. So that's why I have added long to convert it into long. And since if we will see value is 10 to the power 9 into, we will choose the value maximum value k times, then 10 to the power 5, it will it will not fit in the integer. That's why also I have used this long to convert this part into long. Then I can multiply it with it. So whole answer I can get in long. Otherwise, it will give the answer in integer, and that will be within integer range. That's why I've used this long. And if I will see the time complexity will be big of n, because these max and min function will take big of n time complexity. The space complexity will be big of 1 only, because I have not used any extra spaces. Instead of this max and min function, we can use directly loop also from I equals to 0 till I less than n, and we can initialize max equals to int min and min equals to int max, and then we can with the help of this loop we can maximize and minimize our int value. That also we can do, or that also will take time complexity equals to big of n only, and this is also taking time complexity big of n. So we can choose either of these two. It will have the same time complexity. So yeah, I think you have an idea about this problem. This is easy, but only the problem is like uh, this uh, this part is important. Like we can choose the same subarray any number of times. Otherwise, we need to find some different approach if we are not able to choose the same array any number of times. So yeah, thank you.